Great people, welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. Rising Igbo has finally reacted to the issue of a bar cattle market attack that resulted to the death of about 9 persons who are, headsmen. Before now, there had also been reaction coming from northern groups, and most of them frown at what just happened, though some level of maturity was shown by so many of them in their response. Expectation was that there may likely be a reprisal attack against the Indibos who are resident in the north, but they said, hey, we're not going to do it. But right now, Ohaneze has this to say about the attack at the Abia cattle market. But before we give you full details of the news, I'd like to encourage you to please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get notification anytime we publish our videos. Now, according to the news, Johannes and Igbo worldwide on Sunday described the perpetrators of the bloody attack at New Cattle Market, Omumauzo in Ukwa West local government area of Abia State last Tuesday as a plot to destroy the harmonious relationship between northern cattle marketers and Igbo community. Johannes Igbo National Publicity Secretary Alex Ogbonia stated this in a statement to newsmen in Owerri. He said that the Igbos have been very hospitable. I'll take that again. He said that the Igbos have been very hospitable and forward with a cosmopolitan spirit in their dealings. According to Hannes Ndibo, said that Hannes Ndibo worldwide condemned the ugly incident that occurred at the new cattle market Omumauzo in Ukwa West local government area of Abia State, which claimed the lives of 8 traders, including 20 cows, on Tuesday, February 15, 2021. Preliminary investigation shows that the mayhem was not caused by the youth of the host community. Instead, the youth demonstrated courage, sympathy, and solidarity with the traders by assisting the victims of the attack. We are delighted that a high-powered team of the Abia State government, led by the Chief of Staff to the Governor, Professor Anthony Agbazure, visited the market promptly to assist the situation and sympathize with the traders. Furthermore, the Abia State government responded swiftly by mobilizing various security agencies to the scene that night to secure the lives and properties of the innocent traders and fish out the assailants. We are certain that some hoodlums are bent on disrupting the harmonious relationship that has long existed between the northern trader markets and the several host communities across Igbo land. This is wicked mischief taken too far. This is because Nigerians know that the Igbos are very allergic to the dastard act of destruction of human lives. The sanctity of human life is an integral part of the Igbo cultural ethics. Rather, the Igbos are hospitable, forward-looking, entrepreneurial, cosmopolitan, and opportunity maximizers. In other words, they are always willing to partner lucrative opportunities wherever and in whosoever they are found, irrespective of ethnic or religious persuasion. Thus, the several cattle markets in Igbo land have not only broadened the scope of our trans-ethnic economic relationship, but it has also fulfilled the impetus of the Igbo funeral extravaganza. It is therefore highly inconceivable that any right-thinking Igbo can contemplate such a heinous crime against the Berlin cattle marketers. Wow. Now, this is a way of proving that the Igbos are peacemakers. I mean, what they have done right now for me is a step in the right direction, and it has gone an extra mile to correct the negative impression that people have against the Igbos, that they are not harmonious in their relationship, that they are always enjoying spoiling relationship. And one will wonder, before now, from inception till now, did we hear those kind of news? This one is the first of its kind. You understand? The Igbos do not have issues when it comes to that. And one of the things I'll take right for the governor of Abia State is the swift response that he gave. Because if there was no swift response, so we have witnessed in the past, most people would have judged them on that grounds and would say that the state or know a lot about it. But immediately that thing happened, if you are conversant with the news, you will know that immediately that military people were released to go in that direction and to stop any further attack. That was a very commendable thing. And also the response that the Northerners have given in respect to that was also very commendable. Expectation was that there will be outcry of reprisal attack. After all, we've not been doing this kind of thing to your own people. Why are you doing it to our own people? And before you know, it will culminate into something that no one can stand. But shockingly, I mean, the coalition of northern groups, their response was quite good. They said, "Hey, there's no need to begin to aggravate the situation. These guys have proven beyond reasonable doubt that they are not behind it. That the Southerners, mostly the Igbos who are resident in the north, should not bother, that they are protected. There wouldn't be any reprisal." But they gave some demands that the governor of Abia State should ensure he worked assiduously to restore peace and also to fish out the assailants who were behind it. And for me, that is something worth commending. And I'm hopeful that with that step taken, the security agencies will go an extra mile to uncovering those who are behind it. Let's look at what Nigerians have to say in this regard. Someone here said the Ohanes and Igbo have come in very timely, and I hope that there won't be a repeat of this, because if this issue keep coming up like this, certainly there is going to be a reprisal attack from the Northerners. Another one here says this kind of issue has never happened in the past, so I don't think that the Northerners would have been so stupid to take a decision that will affect the generality of peace in the southeast. Another person here says this attitude by these assailants must be stopped. I think at this point the security operative needs to put a check on these areas just to prevent occurrence of these. In virtually all the southeastern state, we have this kind of people and we are enjoying good relationship. All of a sudden, with what IPOP said and this, I don't know what is going on. Nigerians should call some people to order so that these kind of issues will be prevented. Some other person here says IPOP are the ones behind this thing. Can't you see that they have not reacted to this particular attack like they have been doing in others? And my powerful have refused to say anything about it. Well, that's where we like to leave it. Just go to our comment section. Let's